Welcome guys, today we are going to use SweetAlert2 on Laravel to provide feedback to our user whenever they submit a form or something happen or error occur at the backend so that we can show a pop-up modal to our user using SweetAlert. We start. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and likes because this tutorial will be a nice one. Here is the latest version of Laravel. I'm starting this terminal now. I want to start the project. PA serve. Normally you can use PHP artisan serve. So here is the project. Whenever I submit this form, I want a response. You can see your balance is low. Please add. So I want to show SweetAlert2 using that response. So let me go to the user controller. You can see it here where I'm returning the response from. You can see if amount is greater than the balance, the user balance, return your balance is low. So I want to use SweetAlert to return this response. Okay, now let me go to Google, search SweetAlert2 on Google. Okay, so you'll find the first link here, SweetAlert2 github.io. Then you open the web page. You can see it here. So we have different types. This is the first type. We have this type, the SweetAlert, and we have this one too. You can check. I think this one is nice. Let me test the other one. Okay, let's check the down one. Oh no. So I want to use this third one. Let's go to installation. If you are using npm package, you can use this. So by the end of the video, I will show you how to use npm package. But right now we are going to use this CDN link, so for it to be fast. Okay. So I'll go to the view now where I want to show the SweetAlert. Now normally this is how people do it. So after this I will show you the proper way of doing this, the proper way of adding SweetAlert. Okay, so I add the link or the CDN link here, the SweetAlert link here. Then I will add the function to call the SweetAlert to show it. Okay, which is WAL.fire. Okay, so I will remove this. I'll put it at the layout before the closing of the body. Okay, that is the proper way to put this. Okay, so you put it here before the closing of the body tag, the HTML body tag. Okay, so here now I want to return back. You know, the back helper help us to return to the previous page on Laravel. Okay, so let's test what I just paste. I'll refresh it for return back. You can see that the SweetAlert is not working. Let us inspect this and see why it's not working. Okay, so I want to show you the proper way. Okay, so you can see that the SweetAlert comes first before the package. You can see, so this type is not going to work. Okay, so let us start now and I'll show you the proper way of doing it. Okay, now remove this SweetAlert from the page that you want, because you might like to show the SweetAlert on a different page, any page or that you want. Okay, so it's not good to add it to only one page because we are going to show it to different page. Okay, so let's go to the app level. So before the closing the closing body tag, you add it here. Okay, so you add it here, but you are not going to show it. You want the SweetAlert to wait before it show. You want the window to be loaded before you show the SweetAlert. That window.onload function. Then I'll put the SweetAlert here. I want it to show after everything the document has loaded. Okay, so I'll put it here. You can see I'll put it in the window.onload function. Then this I'll put it here. Okay, so this one is going to work normal. You need to wait for the window to load before you call the SweetAlert. Okay, so let us go and test this. Okay, so let me refresh this page. you can see it show only the test it work, and it show only the static test that I add. So I want this test to be dynamic. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'll go to my controller, then I will add with message. Now this with message, one thing about Laravel is Laravel is very, very smart. Okay, so when you add with, then from there, whatever phrase you add there, Laravel will identify it as a key and put it in the section. Maybe if I add with alert, so Laravel will recognize that I want to put this alert in the section so that I can access it at the front end. So I use with message. Okay, so whatever you use, Laravel will know that this is the key that you want to put in the section. Right now I'm defining the variable that I want to show in this section. So I want it to be array. Okay, I want it to be array of array, because of I want to show all this response at the back. So the first value in the array will be the status. Then the second value will be the title of the SweetAlert. Then the third value will be the description. So this first value will be the icon. Okay, so here this is how I define it. Maybe if it is error, you can see this is the first value, error. Then the second value is the title, withdrawal failed. Then the third value I'll put a description. That is will be the description. You don't have enough money. Okay, so this is how I define my message that I'm going to return. So I'll put it here now. So whenever I return this message, it will flash in the front end only once. So I want to show a condition. I want to put a condition before. So I don't want to show this SweetAlert every time. I only want it to show when there is this message key in the section. Okay, so if session message, before you used to use has, but now let's use this is the nice way to do it. If session, you can see has this message, it will show. You can see if I refresh this now, it's not going to show the SweetAlert. Okay, if I refresh it, it's not going to show the SweetAlert. Even if I open another page now, it will not show. The SweetAlert will not be available only until I return the message. Let's say, let me return it now. If I do this now, you can see I've returned the message to the section. So that means the message key is available. That's only when this SweetAlert will show. Okay, so I want to dynamically change the write-up. Okay, so I will use for each, because you can see the variable I defined it array of array as in the user controller. Okay, so I want to access the value here. So I will put this for each inside the if condition. Okay, now the first, you remember the first value of the array is the icon, that is the status. Okay, is the icon, that is the status. So I'll put 0. 0 is the first value. Okay, so you can see the first value is the status, the second is the title, and the third is the description. So I want to add the description now to the I want to add the title now here. So that will be the second in the array, and here will be the third in the array. Okay, so now if I return back with message, it's going to show exactly what I returned from the controller. Withdrawal failed. So this is exactly what I returned from the controller. And this pop-up, this SweetAlert will only show when there is a message for the user, if there is a feedback for the user. Okay, so let's say I want to copy this. I want to return a successful message if it passed through at the bottom here. Okay, so I will change this status to success. Remember, this first value is the icon. then the title, withdrawal completed. Then here will be the description. Your money is on its way to your account. Okay, so if I return back here now, let me add balance to the user. Okay, I've added $50 to the user account. Now I want to withdraw 20. You can see it will go through. Oh where is that? Oh, okay. I'm assessing the value instead of using greater than. Okay, so you can see withdrawal completed. Your money is on its way. You can see whatever I return from the controller now will show on the SweetAlert. So if I return 60 Nigeria, I don't have withdrawal fail. You don't have enough money. So this is the proper way to show this SweetAlert. So on any page that I return with message now, the SweetAlert is going to show. I can return to route with message. I can return to return back with message. It will show this exactly. You can see this icon. When you go to the icons, you can see the name of the icon. This will be the status of your response. So the warning, info, the questions. That is it. You can see it. Okay. So this is the normal way, the best way to add SweetAlert. Right now, I want to show you how to use the npm package. Okay, so first you have to remove this. We don't need it. So remove this script from it. So we are going to use npm package. Okay, so the first thing, let me test. I'll write npm. No, let's install it first. Installation. You can see, copy this npm install SweetAlert2. Copy, then go to your terminal and paste it. npm install SweetAlert2. Okay, you can see after successfully install, I will run npm run build. I don't want to use run dev now because it's going to delay me. So I would like this run build. Then I'll go to installation uses. Okay, import SWAL from SweetAlert2. So I will go to my this JavaScript file for the npm package. I'll go there, the app.js. So I will import it at the bottom of this alpine.start. You can put it at the top. Anywhere you put it is going to work. So SweetAlert. Okay, import SweetAlert from SweetAlert. So I want to make it available globally. So I will use window.swa. Then I will get it from the SweetAlert. Okay, so this will make it available globally. Okay, now I will run npm run build. You can use npm run dev, but this is for production. So npm run build. If you refresh the page now, it's going to work. So you don't need to copy the CDN link if you're using the package. Okay, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. I will appreciate. Hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. Thank you. Okay, so here it is, just like so. Very nice SweetAlert. Okay, so I want to show you the full details here. Look at it. Let me zoom out, zoom in. Here is it. If session, very easy. Hit the subscribe button.